In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn text into barcodes in Google Sheets. This is a straightforward process, perfect for anyone looking to simplify tasks like inventory management or data entry by digitizing labels into a more standardized format. Stick with me, and we'll walk through this step by step. First, let's begin by addressing a key aspect of creating barcodes: proper formatting. The barcode number requires an asterisk or star symbol at both the start and the end. These asterisks act as delimiters, ensuring your barcode scanners can correctly identify the beginning and end of the barcode. To set this up, click on your chosen cell where you want the formatted barcode to appear. In the formula bar, type an equal sign. This signals to Google Sheets that you're about to enter a formula. The first part of the formula involves incorporating an asterisk. You need to type this asterisk as a string, so place it between quotation marks, like this. Quotation mark asterisk, quotation mark. Now, you'll add an ampersand, which is a key component in combining text and cell references in Excel formulas. After that, click on the cell that contains your original barcode number. This makes sure you're linking to the correct data. To finish off this formula, you need to add another ampersand, followed by the asterisk in quotation marks once more, and this ensures that the asterisk is added to the end of the barcode number as well. Once typed out, hit Enter. If all went well, you should now see your barcode number neatly framed by asterisks, which lays the groundwork for the next step. By using this formula, you're essentially crafting a template. This means you can drag your formula down to apply it to other cells, and it will automatically adjust to include asterisks around every barcode. This auto-fill capability is a real time saver if you're dealing with multiple entries. Now that we have the structure correct, it's time to actually transform these numbers into barcodes. To do so, head over to the column where you've applied your new formula. Highlight the cells, and then navigate up to the toolbar where your font options reside. Click on the Fonts button, and when the list pops up, choose More Fonts to explore additional options available in Google Sheets. Our goal here is to select a font that can render our text as a barcode. From the font library, locate and select Libra Barcode 39. Text. This specific font will convert your asterisk-enclosed numbers into readable barcodes. Apply this font to your selected cells, and there you have it. What was once a simple text format is now converted into a barcode, ready for scanning. This method provides an efficient way to optimize your data processes right within Google Sheets. Thanks for watching, and happy barcoding.